Hey everyone! Welcome back to Scraping Ants channel. Today we're diving deep into advanced proxy rotation techniques with Playwright. I'll show you how to build a production-ready proxy rotation system that you can actually use in real projects. So let's get started. Let's break this down step by step. First, let's look at our Proxy Manager class. This is the core of our system. Notice how we organize proxies by regions. This is crucial for geo-targeted scraping and helps maintain clean proxy pools for different purposes. We also maintain 3 important dictionaries. Health status tracks which proxies are working. Session mapping maintains sticky sessions. Last used helps distribute load across proxies. Now, let's look at the most critical part, proxy health checking. Here's why this is clever. We're using aiohttp instead of Playwright for health checks. It's much faster and lighter. We test multiple IP checking services. If one is down, we have backups. We're using Async await for better performance. The timeout is configurable for different network conditions. Let's talk about session management. This is where many proxy rotation systems fail. See what we're doing here? We check if we already have a proxy assigned to this session. Verify if that proxy is still healthy. Only rotate if necessary. This maintains session consistency. Use the least recently used proxy when we need a new one. Now for the Playwright integration. The key here is that we're creating a new context for each session, which keeps everything isolated and clean. We've implemented exponential backoff. Notice how we increase delay between retries. Automatic proxy rotation on failure. Clean browser context management, proper error handling and logging. Finally, let's see how it all comes together. The background health checks are crucial. They continuously monitor proxy health without blocking the main scraping process. Here's how you'd actually use this in your code. It's that simple. All the complexity is hidden behind a clean interface. Before we wrap up, here are some pro tips. Always use different proxy pools for different tasks. Monitor proxy performance over time. Implement rate limiting per proxy. Keep your proxy pool diverse. Log all proxy-related events for debugging. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our blog for more tutorials and insights. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos about web scraping and data science. As always, you can find a link to a full article in the description. And remember always to use proxies.